Finally, it's Christmas shopping season. And these are my bag essentials kapag magsha-shopping. By the way, I'm using this bag. Yes, small bag lang siya pero madaling bitbitin. That's a must. Dahil super crowded na ng mall ngayon, I always have my e-fan. Kasi girl, dapat hindi ka ma-suffocate. Dahil nakakahagar din ang pamimili, may dala ko pang retouch which is foundation and syempre lipstick. Sabi ko nga, hindi tayo pwede magmukhang haggard while shopping kasi baka naman mamaya may makasalubong kang kakilala mo. Syempre, lahat kayo nag-shopping for Christmas. Last 2 items na lang and syempre, hindi mo dapat makalimutan ang wallet mo kasi paano ka magbabayad. Last but not the least is dapat uminom ka muna ng biotin. Girl, hindi mo dapat kalimutan ito dahil this will help you to have that shining hair and syempre that glowing skin. Taan mo, this Christmas, hindi lang damit, sapatos o pangregalo ang dapat mong i-priority. Dapat ang pagiging good-looking mo din. Kaya go and try out biotin. So yun lang naman ang pang-complete para sa Christmas shopping needs ko.